Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn Social Science Civic Chapter 1 on equality. What is equality? Equality means equal rights. In social science, we deal about equal right to what? In a democratic country like India, all adults, irrespective of what religion they belong to, how much education they have had, what caste they are, or whether they are rich or poor, are allowed to vote. This is called universal adult franchise and is an essential aspect of all democracies. The idea of universal adult franchises is based on the idea of equality. Other kind of equality. Apart from being poor, people in India experience inequality which is based on the caste system. Recognizing dignity. When persons are treated unequally, their dignity is violated. Dignity is the right of a person to be valued and respected for their own sake and to be treated ethically. Equality in Indian democracy. The Indian Constitution recognizes every person as equal. This means that every individual in the country, including male and female, persons from all castes, religions, tribes, educational and economic backgrounds, are recognized as equal. The recognition of equality includes the following provision in the Constitution. First one is every person is equal before the law. Second is no person can be discriminated against on the basis of their religion, race, caste, place of birth or whether they are female or male. Third one is every person has access to all public places. Fourth one is untouchability has been abolished. Steps taken by government to implement equality. The two ways in which the government has tried to implement the equality that is guaranteed in the Constitution is first through law, second through government programs or scheme. One of the steps taken by the government include the midday meal scheme. Issues of equality in other democracies. In many democratic countries around the world, the issue of equality continues to be the key issue around which communities struggle. For example, in the United States of America, the African Americans whose ancestors were slaves who were brought over from Africa continue to describe their life today as largely unequal. They were treated extremely unequally in the USA and the denied equality through the law. The Civil Rights Act of 1964 prohibited the discrimination of the basis of race, religion or national origin. It also stated that all schools would be open to African American children and that they would no longer have to attend separate schools specially set up for them. यहाँ पे इक्वालिटी समानता की बात की गई है. समानता मीन्स सबको सरखा देखना, किसी के धर्म पर, किसी की जात पर, किसी के जेंडर पर हम उससे अनइक्वली ट्रीट नहीं कर सकते. हमारे इंडियन डेमोक्रेसी में ये बहुत ही कॉमन है कि हम किसी भी इंसान को उसकी कास्ट, उसकी रिलीजन, धर्म, उसका ट्राइब और एजुकेशन से या फिर इकोनॉमिक बैकग्राउंड से अलग नहीं करते. हम हर एक पर्सन को इक्वली ट्रीट करते हैं. हमारे इंडिया में गवर्नमेंट्स दो टाइप के स्टेप्स लेकर इक्वालिटी की स्थापना करती हैं. फर्स्ट थ्रू लॉ मतलब कि नियम जो है, कायदे जो है उसके द्वारा, और सेकंड वन है गवर्नमेंट की अलग अलग प्रोग्राम्स और स्कीम के द्वारा। जो मध्याह्न भोजन योजना है वो भी इसी का एक पार्ट है। तो इंडिया जो है डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री है, और डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री में इक्वालिटी वो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर होता है।